Want to upgrade your car's sound system without breaking the bank? The best coaxial speakers for cars deliver clear, powerful sound with easy installation, making them perfect for any vehicle. Whether you're an audio lover or just want to enhance your driving experience, these speakers offer incredible value and performance. In this video, we'll break down the top coaxial speakers that combine quality and affordability. Check out the links in the description box to find your ideal match. Let's dive in. Boss Audio Systems CH6530. The BOS Audio Systems CH6530 car speakers are built to deliver powerful sound, offering a maximum output of 300 watts. Featuring a 1-inch voice coil and a poly-injection cone with a rubber surround, these coaxial speakers ensure excellent audio clarity. The frequency response spans from 100 Hz to 18 kHz, and with a sensitivity of 90 decibels, they produce loud, clear sound even at higher volumes. The 5.5-inch mounting hole and 2.1-inch mounting depth make installation easy, while the piezo tweeter and polyimide dome mid-range deliver balanced sound. These speakers come with a 3-year warranty when purchased through Amazon. Pioneer TSF-1634R. The Pioneer TSF-1634R car speakers provide a dynamic audio experience with a 200-watt peak power output. The two-way coaxial design features a woofer and tweeter for rich, full sound across all frequencies. With an 88 decibel sensitivity rating, they ensure distortion-free audio even at high volumes. These 6.5-inch speakers offer seamless integration into most vehicles and come with a flush mount design. The traditional black finish enhances the aesthetics of your car's interior. With reliable performance and clear sound, these speakers are a great addition to any car audio system. JVC-CSJ620. The JVC-CSJ620 car speakers are designed to deliver impressive sound with a peak power handling capacity of 300 watts. These 6.5-inch two-way coaxial speakers feature a mica cone, hybrid rubber and cloth surround, and a polyether-imide balanced dome tweeter for optimal audio performance. With 30 watts RMS power handling, these speakers allow for easy amplifier addition, enhancing your car's audio system. They are designed with a steel stand frame, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. With a frequency response range that spans a wide range, these speakers bring clarity to every beat, enhancing your driving experience. Skar Audio TX65. The Skar Audio TX65 coaxial speakers offer elite sound quality with a peak power output of 200 watts and RMS power of 100 watts. These 6.5-inch speakers feature a high-performance 1-inch silk dome tweeter, providing clear, high-frequency sound. With a frequency response range of 45 Hz to 20,000 Hz, they deliver deep bass and crisp treble. The powerful ferrite magnet and TPE surround ensure durability and excellent sound clarity. With an impedance of 4 ohms and a sensitivity of 89 decibels, these speakers are designed to deliver an immersive audio experience. Kenwood KFC-1666S. The Kenwood KFC-1666S car speakers are equipped with a 300-watt peak input and 30 watts rated input power, delivering clear and dynamic audio performance. Featuring a 6.5-inch polypropylene cone woofer and a 1-inch balanced dome tweeter, these speakers deliver a balanced sound with excellent mid-range and treble. The 92 decibel sensitivity ensures loud and clear output even at higher volumes. Designed for easy installation with a 4 to 7/8-inch cutout diameter and a 1 to 11/16-inch mounting depth, these speakers are a great addition to any car audio system. The speaker's quality construction ensures long-lasting performance and reliable sound quality. We hope this video helped you find the perfect coaxial car speaker. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.